This is a dedicated professional in the law enforcement community. We're doing this for documentation purposes and to educate everyone out there on what this product really can do. The use of a gel is typically less cross-contamination. Today's scenario, we're going to be using Mace brand pepper gel. We're going to have our bad guy downrange getting sprayed with it as he's actively coming after a female. We want to get a good firm grip, lift up the safety, put our thumb underneath, press down on the red button and squeeze. Thumb in, paint the suspect with a big smile from ear to ear. How you feeling, Jake? From the initial spray, many people feel instantaneous effects: involuntary eye closure, nasal discharge, burning sensation of the face, tightness in the chest, coughing sometimes accompanies with it. Can you see? Nope. Do you think you could fight right now? Nope. The relief spray does cut down the effects of the OC. It will decrease his time needed to recover from it. As you see, we're right around the 14-minute mark. Jake's already opening his eyes. He's able to talk, minimal effort.
So we're an hour and a half in. How are you feeling? Good?
Feel pretty good. Back to almost normal. At first I was like, okay, this isn't too bad, and then at about 3 seconds later, man, it hit. Just felt like my whole face was on fire. About 10 minutes in, I thought that this might be the last go around.
It has tremendous stopping power, in many cases near instantaneous, with no long-lasting effects. It's a great alternative in the use of force.
When you're out there, or even out here, or here, safety is everything. The Sabre Tactical Pepper Gel with flip top and belt holster from the #1 trusted personal safety brand will help give you the confidence to enjoy every moment with peace of mind, providing 20% greater range, containing 18 bursts for protection against multiple threats at a safe distance, with virtually no wind blowback, with an added flip top safety to prevent accidental discharge, featuring Sabre's maximum strength pepper formula and UV marking dye to help identify suspects, all with a belt holster for quick and easy access. And with an industry-exclusive in-house testing lab, Sabre guarantees its maximum strength formula on every product. So no matter where you go, what you do, or where life takes you, the Sabre Tactical Pepper Gel with flip top and belt holster helps give you the confidence to live life your way. Sabre, make it safe. When you're out there, or even out here, or here, safety is everything. The Sabre Compact Pepper Spray with Clip from the #1 trusted personal safety brand will help give you the confidence to enjoy every moment with peace of mind. Even with its compact size, it features a 10-foot range with 35 bursts for protection against multiple threats at a safe distance. A UV marking dye to help police identify suspects, featuring a locking top safety to help prevent accidental discharge. It's easily accessible and safe to carry. And with an industry-exclusive in-house testing lab, Sabre guarantees its maximum strength formula on every product. So no matter where you go, what you do, or where life takes you, the Sabre Compact Pepper Spray with Clip helps give you the confidence to live life your way. Sabre, make it safe.
It's so easy to grab, aim, and fire. The Pepper Gun 2.0 is ready when you need it. The dual mode LED is a great distraction and also helps you with your aim. Your pepper gun comes with a water canister to practice firing the pepper spray. Load by flipping the gun off the safety, squeezing the two grips, and pull forward to open the chamber. Place the blue test canister inside. Repeat to place the red live pepper spray canister inside. Deploy the pepper spray by putting your finger on the trigger and squeezing for 2 to 3 second bursts. Now you're empowered and ready to protect yourself. Available at mace.com.